Welcome to You Suck at Computers. In today's lesson, I'll be teaching you how to open and close an application. For today's example, we'll be opening up Safari. My Safari is located on my desktop, so there's a couple of ways that you can open up an application. The easiest way is to double-click the application itself. So we're just going to double-click Safari, and the application window will automatically open. Now, to close the application window, all you have to do is go up here to this red X, click on it, and the application window will close. Now, the second way to open up an application is to go back to application. So we're going to go back to Safari. We're going to right-click on the application, and over here on the options, we're just going to open the application up. And then the application window is again open. Again, to close it, all you have to do is press the X red button here. Now, even though that you close the application window, the application itself is still running. So to fully close an application, there are a couple ways you can do it. Now, how do you know if an application is still running? Well, you can know by going down to your dock. My dock is located down here. So these are all my application that is running. And again, your dock can be on your left-hand side, your right-hand side, but mine is at the bottom here. So if you notice that the Safari, look by this black indicator, is still running. So to basically close the application, all you have to do is there are a couple of ways. The first way is to right-click the application, and you notice there are a couple of options here. So we're just going to quit the application now. To do so, the application is now closed. Now, there's another way you can do it is basically we're just going to open up the Safari again, just to double-click the application. The application window now is open. All you have to do is go up here to your toolbar, click on the application name, go down to the quit option. So we're just going to quit Safari. And again, the application is closed. Now again, to check, just go down to your dock. If you notice, the Safari is no longer here. The third way to do it is to basically use a shortcut. So we're just going to again right-click, open the application up. The application now is open, and on your keyboard, all you have to do is press the command button here and the letter Q. So we're just going to click on the application window, press Command and Q. The application will basically close after that. Remember, you have to click on the application window for the application to close. Meaning, for example, we're just going to open Safari up again. And here's our Safari window. Now, if we don't select our Safari window to have this application closed, for example, if I'm just going to select my desktop and see it's basically my desktop's being selected and just not the Safari window, if I press Command Q, the application won't close. What I have to do is select the application itself, press Command and Q, then the application will close. So those are examples of opening and closing an application. There are many ways of doing it, but those are the quickest and easiest ways to do it. Thank you. Hope you guys have a great one. Till next time.